Hi there. I know you are in the mood for some division, right? Come on, let's get excited about division. Okay, here's the thing. A couple parts of division I want to show you that are really important that will help you understand just about every problem you have. Watch. First of all, I'm going to show you two problems. Very simple. Two simple problems. Let me put them up against the camera here. I hope you can see it. There we go. There's one right there. Good right there. 220 divided by 4. How do you get that? I'm showing you right there. Now, I don't know what you can, well, there you go. I'm trying to show you. All right, now how does this work? What it is you have 220 divided by 4. And what you do is you get the house. Remember there's that house. It's that roof that you put the divisor by and the number you're going to divide. The number is about next to it, and then the number you're going to divide next to it right here. You put those two there. Then you start figuring out what number to multiply by. In the case of 220 divided by 4, you got 220 under the roof. So you're going to start with the first two numbers, 22. What times 4 gives you 22? What times 4 gives you 22? 5. 5 times 4 gives you 20. You get 20. You take 22, subtract 20 from it, you get 2. Bring the 2 down. You bring the other down, you get 0. Bring the 0 down, you get 20. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget to make sure you got that decimal point right over here. Right? Decimal point has to be exactly where that 0 is because it's right here. 220 is a decimal point right there. That means you put the decimal point there. So you got 5 times 4 is 20, and then you got 5 times 4 is 20. 55 is your answer. All right? Keeping up? Are you keeping up? I hope you are. Now, then you have this one. 30 to 28 divided by, 3.28 divided by 8. What do you do there? Same idea. You got 8, and you get the house. Under the house is 3.28. Now watch. When you get under the house 3.28, you got 8. What do? Make sure you put the decimal point. You get the decimal point, 3 point. You go like this. Put it up there, top of the house. So you got one decimal point right there. You go ahead and say, is there any number times 8 give you 3? No. How about 32? 4 times 8 will give you 32. 4 times 8, 32. You take 32, you subtract, you get 0. Bring the 8 down. You got 8 here, bring it down. You got 8. Then what do? 1 times 8 is 8, so you got 41.41 is your answer. Now, this is great for dividing, and that's the key. I'm going to show it to you again real quick so you can see it. Put it up so you can see it right there. All right. All right. All right. You got there. You got there. Now, always remember when you see a question asked, let's say the question's asked like this. You got a simple number, 220 divided by 4. What's your answer? Just showed you how to get it. Or let's say it says 3.28 divided by 8. How do you find the answer? Just like I showed you. However, let's say I tell you I own 220 cars. Yes, I own 220 cars. I became rich last week. I bought 220 cars, and now I'm trying to figure out how to sell them. You want to believe that? You don't want to believe that? Oh, I'm hurt. Anyway, 220 divided by 4. What is that 4 going to be? Well, I got an idea. I bought 220 cars, right? Why? Because I want to sell them, right? Well, I want 220 cars sold, but how am I going to sell them? I'm going to hire 4 people. Ah, clever, huh? I'm going to hire 4 people to sell it. So what I say in a word problem is I say there are 220 cars in the lot, right? I have 4 salespeople to sell the cars. How many cars will be sold by each salesperson? 220 divided by 4. A perfect word problem that you can understand how to divide. Then you have 3.28 divided by 8. That's a little more tricky. Why would I have a 3.28? Well, what if I say to you I got 3.28 pounds of something? Pounds of sugar, pounds of bread. Nah, not bread. That's a bad one. 3.28 pounds of wood. And I want to divide it into 8. How many? 8 pieces. Perfect. Why would I want to divide it up in 8 pieces? Because I want to use the wood for something in my house. I want to build some extra stuff on the house. I got 3.28 pounds, and I want to divide it into 8 pieces. There you go. A perfect word problem. You use that mathematical device, the house, and you end up with 0.41. So you got 8 into 3.28, 0.41 pounds. That's 4.41 pounds. You see what I'm doing? You still awake? Ah, you are. Talk to you soon. If you got any questions, let me know.